Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be solving exercise 6.1. The first question is, in the figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and BOD is equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. For your convenience, I have labeled the angles as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. Angle AOC I have labeled as angle 1, angle BOE I have labeled as angle 2, angle BOD is angle 3, angle COE is angle 4 and angle DOA is angle 5. Okay, so now as per the given question, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. Let's give the name as equation 1. If you look at the diagram carefully, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because they are vertically opposite angle, and you are given that angle 3 is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle 1 will be equal to 40 degree. So, instead of angle 1 in equation 1, I have put angle equal to 40 degree. So, 40 degree plus angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. Okay, so we have found one of the answers, that is BOE, angle BOE is equal to 30 डिग्री. हमें एक आंसर यहाँ मिल गया, एंगल BOE की वैल्यू हमने निकाल लिया 30 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ I'll just repeat the steps for you. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is given 70 degree. It is given in the question. We'll label, इसको हमने equation 1 label कर दिया. अब second statement आ गया कि 1 और 3, अगर आप फिगर को केयरफुली देखोगे तो 1 और 3 वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स हैं तो इक्वल होंगे. एंगल 3 आपको गिवन है 40 डिग्री, तो एंगल 1 कितना हो जाएगा 40 डिग्री. अब इक्वेशन 1 में एंगल 1 की जगह हम 40 डिग्री रख देते हैं तो हमें क्या इक्वेशन मिलती है, 40 डिग्री प्लस एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री और एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री माइनस 40 डिग्री, दैट इज 30 डिग्री. सो वन ऑफ द आंसर्स वी हैव फाउंड, एंगल BOE इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. अब हमारा सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन है, हमें क्या निकालना है, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE. रिफ्लेक्स, जब आप किसी एंगल के आगे रिफ्लेक्स लगा होता है उसका मतलब ये होता है कि उसको हमें 360 डिग्री में से माइनस करना है. रिफ्लेक्स का मतलब है 360 डिग्री माइनस एंगल COE. तो ये वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमें पहले क्या वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी, एंगल COE, जो कि मैंने लेबल करा है एज एंगल 4. अब आप देखिए एंगल COE कैसे निकालेंगे. एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 4 प्लस एंगल 2 तीनों मिलकर स्ट्रेट लाइन बना रहे हैं AOB, तो इनका सम कितना होगा 180 डिग्री. ओके, सो विल राइट दिस, इसको हम लिख देते हैं एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री और 1 प्लस 2 हमें कितना गिवन है 70 डिग्री प्लस एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री और एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री माइनस 70 डिग्री. तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, वी विल गेट 110 डिग्री. तो हमारे पास में एंगल 4 यानी कि एंगल COE की वैल्यू आ गई 110. तो रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 360 डिग्री माइनस 110. So what will we get? We will get 250 degree. This is the second part of the answer. I hope you have understood. Now we come to the second question. In the second question it is given that lines XY and MN intersect at O if angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is the ratio 2:3. You have to find angle C. Now see here, you are given that POY is equal to 90. Now if POY is 90, then POX is also 90 because they are forming a linear pair. So we write down angle POX is equal to angle POY is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so POX is 90 and POX is made up of which two angles? Angle A and angle B. You are given that the ratio of A and B is 2:3. That means if A is equal to 2x, then B will be equal to 3x and their sum will be equal to 90 degree. So A plus B is equal to 90 degree, as we can see from the figure. And now we put the values of A and B. 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree, or 5x is equal to 90 degree, and so we get the value of x as 90 degree upon 5, that is 18 degree. Okay, so 8x, the value of x is 18 degree. Now we find the value of A and B. A will be 2 into 18, that is 36 degree, and B will be 3 into 18, that is 54 degrees. So we have found the values of A and B as 36 and 54. Now you have to find the value of C. You may see from the diagram that MON is a straight line. That means B and C are adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. That means they are forming a linear pair. So C plus B is equal to 180 degree. So you will write C plus B is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. Linear pair, they are these two angles are linear pair, so their sum will be 180 degree. So putting the value of B as 54, what do we get? C plus 54 degree is equal to 180 degree, or C is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. So we get 126 degree. That is the second question. Now we come to the third question. In the figure, if angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Now you may see from the diagram, from the figure, SRT is a line. SRT is a line. So if you say SRT is a line, then QP is a ray standing on the line SRT. So we know by axiom 1 that if you have a ray standing on the line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles will be 180 degree. That means they are forming a linear pair. So angle PQS plus angle PQR, that is angle PQS, that is angle 1 suppose, plus angle PQR, that is angle 2 suppose, is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? They are linear pair. Okay, and the same for the other side, we label them as angle 3 and angle 4. Angle PRQ I have labeled as 3 and PRT I have labeled as angle 4. Okay, so we will make another equation. Angle 3 plus angle 4 will also be 180 degree. Why? Because they are also forming a linear pair. So first for the first one we will write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, linear pair, and the second equation will write angle 3 plus angle 4 is also equal to 180 degree. Why? Again because they are forming a linear pair. Okay, so let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, angle 1 plus 2 is 180, angle 3 plus 4 is 180, both are 180, so they are equal to each other also. So we will write 1 plus angle 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4। एंगल 1 प्लस 2 का सम है 180 डिग्री और एंगल 3 और 4 का सम भी 180 डिग्री है, तो ये इन दोनों के सम एक दूसरे के भी इक्वल हो गए। अब आप देखिए आपको गिवन क्या है क्वेश्चन में, एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3। What is given? Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. It is given in the question. So, replacing 2 by 3 in the third equation. Replacing angle 2 by angle 3 in the third equation. What will we get? Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now 3 and 3 will cancel, and what are you left with? 1 is equal to 4, that is angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, जो कि आपसे सॉल्व प्रूव करने के लिए कहा गया था, hence proved.